A lot's happened in the legalized cannabis, CBD, and hemp industry this week. Great news for Missouri cannabis businesses. The Department of Revenue recently confirmed that they are now officially allowed to deduct business expenses on their state tax returns. This is one of the many adjustments made in the constitutional amendment that passed during the elections last year. This change is significant and represents a massive step forward for the industry. Some of Connecticut's medical cannabis dispensaries began selling adult-use products this Tuesday. There will only be 13 total licensed retailers operating on the first day of recreational sales, and many of those companies are multi-state operators. Cannabis sales in Connecticut are projected to exceed $300 million in 2023 and could reach $800 million by 2026. The NASDAQ issued a warning to Florida-based cannabis marketing SaaS company Spring Big this week. The company's share price has fallen below the minimum limit. If the numbers don't improve before June 19th of this year, the company faces the possibility of delisting. In a statement, a Spring Big representative said the company was considering its options and looking for every way to meet the NASDAQ's requirements. Workers at a Sunnyside in Buffalo Grove, Illinois, voted to join the Teamsters Local 777 union this week. This marks the third unionization of a Sunnyside location in under half a year. Sunnyside isn't the only Illinois dispensary chain connected to Teamsters Local 777. Employees at Rise, Zenleaf, Enlightened, and Verilife have also joined in the past year. Finally, Jazz Pharmaceuticals is filing a patent lawsuit against a list of generic drug makers that includes Apotex and Teva Pharmaceuticals. The company alleges the generic drug companies have infringed on a patent for a cannabis-derived drug called Epidiolex. The drug is marketed for the treatment of symptoms caused by Dravet syndrome, tuberous sclerosis complex, and Lennox-Gastaut syndrome. That's it for this week's news roundup. What cannabis industry headline caught your attention this week? Let me know in the comments and follow us on Instagram and LinkedIn for weekly industry updates.